Hey folks, Mac here again after a very long break. If any of you follow my vlogging channel, you'll understand where I've been, but I thought I'd come back with a very quick technical tip that I always found quite useful. You know that situation sometimes where you rebuild a laptop or a machine and you end up with some device drivers missing and you end up having to scrabble around trying to download drivers and all that sort of good stuff. Well, there is an easy way to actually back up all of your drivers from a working machine and just give yourself a complete working set of current working drivers, and I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. The command we need is here. I will put the command in the description of the video, but let me show you how we actually do this. So I'm going to fire up a elevated command prompt. So I'm going to run as administrator. There we go. I'm going to create this directory here. I mean, obviously you can call this whatever you like. Okay. And we are going to just use this command. Like I say, the command will be down in the description. It only takes a moment to run. And what this is going to do is go and export all of the drivers in use currently on this machine. If we now go and have a look at that directory, there we go. You'll see it has all of our drivers in. Now, if I was to ever set this machine up again and found that situation, you know, where some of the devices were missing drivers, all I would need to do is dump all of these drivers onto a USB stick and go in there and search for them. So say for example, if we looked here, we looked at the updating the driver, we're going to browse my computer for the drivers. We're going to find that folder, parallel drivers, there we go, and I'm going to include subfolders. If I do that, what it's going to do is it will go and search that whole directory for the right drivers for that particular object. Now obviously I already have them installed here, so there's not a problem, but if it didn't, it would find that driver and go and install it. Now if you find yourself resetting up machines, that's a really handy thing to know about, and I've used it so many times it's never occurred to me to show people how it works, but yeah, I thought I'd come back and show you a quick tip that saved me a ton of time. I hope you found it useful.